Our goal and our mission from Jeanologia will be not just to bring the technology here, but also to be next to our customer and to be next to the Bangladeshi industry, helping them in acquiring all this knowledge by training them, by bringing new digital tools, and by making sure that every day they can progress through this industry and through these technologies. I'm working in Jeanologia, second generation of Jeanologia company. I am currently managing all the strategy business in Jeanologia, working directly with the brands in US and Europe in order to understand what the industry and what the retailers and the final consumers are looking for in terms of product, to see how we can create that product with technology, with innovation in the right way, create all those processes and optimizing next to the brand, and then bringing those ideas, those innovations to Bangladesh, which is a main manufacturing country for the denim industry today. The business definitely in Bangladesh, in the textile industry and in the denim industry specifically, will grow in this area because the US brands and also European brands, many of them are suffering, because of how the industry is seen in terms of the economy, and they are looking for manufacturing places that are more economical, that are more optimal, and that are growing in terms of efficiency, in terms of optimization, and in terms of cost efficiency. So in that sense, this part of the world plays with advantage because you have been building the industry for the last 30 years, and all the investments that have been done in terms of technology and in terms of building the know-how and the knowledge to the people here has been something good that will allow them to be able to grow in the future, being more competitive with other countries nearby or even in the other part of the world. Sustainability is a very important thing for the buyers and for the final consumer. We as an industry have a responsibility here in Bangladesh to be able to take care of our people, of our workers, our rivers, and of our planet. So we are offering our Mission Zero concept. Basically from Jeanologia, our goal and our mission is to be able to dehydrate and detoxify the garment finishing industry. We are seeing many different looks with color, with different patterns. And in order to do all these types of looks, we need to go through processes that involve a lot of water, that involve a lot of chemicals, and that involve a lot of manpower that in order to create them. So Jeanologia is offering this integral solution that we call Mission Zero, where we can create laundry in order to do a full, complete jean by using only 1 glass of water. Our first and most important job to help our customers and the manufacturers to reduce it as much as possible with laser technology. And today we can say that 40% of the denim industry already is doing all the dry processing through laser and through Jeanologia technologies. We have a strong team here, more than 20 people, local and international, that every day we are working with the brands and with the manufacturers to help them transfer the know-how, transfer the new digital tools to be able to implement this technology. The washing area, the wet processing, which involves water, involves stones, involves a lot of chemicals, and also involves a lot of processes of introducing many garments inside washing machines with stones, and even water treatment plants that today already are starting to have a big importance in Bangladesh, and we need to deal with that water with chemicals that is contaminated to be able to reuse it or to be able to treat it in a way so that we can discharge it to our rivers and to our oceans. So in that sense, Jeanologia is also impacting with our technology, and we are creating a full, complete solution. So in the wet processing, we have one technology that is most important for us, which is ozone technology. We have our ozone technology is called G2, G2 Super, and with this ozone technology, basically we are innovating with a new process that we call Atmos, where we are eliminating stone washing and in many times also acid washing, which involves a lot of processing and a lot of potassium as well, and we are doing it thanks to the ozone gas. So basically ozone is a very oxidative gas. With the ozone, and by creating some techniques to alter the molecule of the ozone, we are creating an air washing machine. So no more water washing machines, but air washing machine. This is the future of the water processing in the textile, in the denim textile, and our goal is to be able to eliminate as much as possible the water and all the abrasion and all the aggressive processes that today we are doing with the stones, with chemicals that are oxidating, and with water, to do it with ozone and with our air washing technology. Always, you know, there is a need to use water because, as I was telling you, the trend today is that we are introducing color, we are introducing dirty looks, we are introducing a lot of tinting, we are introducing, this is what the consumer is looking for today, a lot of vintage natural looks seen in the industry, and in order to do that, always you're gonna need water to transfer those chemicals to the garment. So we create this technology that is called eFlow, where we are eliminating the carrier of water and a bath of water in order to transfer those chemicals, and we are creating nanobubbles with a very specific technology that allows to create these nanobubbles in a very controlled way, and then we are injecting these nanobubbles inside the washing machine, so that instead of using 10 liters of water, we are using less than 1 liter of water per kilo of garment. With this, we are creating a foggy cloud inside the machine, and we are controlling how much chemical is needed in order to be able to achieve the desired look to the product without having any waste. So we are trying to allow these designers and these brands to play with technology so that they can do anything that they want in terms of look without compromising the planet, thanks to this eFlow technology. And then we have another system that we call H2.0. This H2.0 technology basically is the liver of the manufacturing plant, because what we are doing is that we are basically creating a very optimal system which doesn't occupy a lot of space, where we study very well what is the type of water and chemicals that we are using in the denim manufacturing plants, so that we can optimize the way that we are reusing the water in a laundry 5.0 that we call, which basically is similar to our mission zero, no? It's the same. So in a laundry 5.0 with all our technologies, you will be able to have mission zero concept where no water is being discharged with any contaminant chemicals. So the H2.0 technology, we basically connect to all the washing machines that we are using, and this technology is getting all the water that is being used in that plant, is treating that water with an optimal technology, and then is capable of reusing up to 99% of that water. And during one full month, you are in a closed system, always reusing and reutilizing that water. This allows us to be anywhere in the world, because means that you can have a laundry of jeans where you don't need access to water, because you already have a system that is capable of feeding you with that water. If you are first reducing, secondly reusing, and third recycling, right? So that's our goal, and already we are implementing. Thanks to this system, the H2.0 system, we've been already in Bangladesh past 20 years, working here, little by little evolving and progressing with our technology. We can say that we have saved with our technology more than 20 million cubic meters of water, thanks to reducing and then recycling. We hope to go in that direction and to be able to continue helping our customers to build this type of factories. In the ITMA, we will be showing all these tools, all these digital tools, and I invite you to come to our booth over there so that we can explain to you, we can show you, and we can build a roadmap to continue growing together in the next 2-3 years.